The next Made by Google event is less than a week away, which means we're closer than ever to getting a look at the next set of phones from Google. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. This year, fans are waiting to see the new Pixel 11 series, including the Pixel 11 Pro and Pixel 11 Pro Fold. And who knows, they might even get a look at the new Pixel Watch. If you want to catch up on everything you might come across, you can always search up for leaks and renders. However, if you're saving the surprises for the day itself, here's how you can tune in and watch the August 12th Made by Google event. The Pixel 11 Made by Google event is set to start later than Google's past streams this year. Things will kick off at 6 p.m. ET on August 12th. If you want to watch live, you'll be able to stream the reveals from the official Made by Google YouTube channel. If you can't catch things live, there will be official updates rolling out simultaneously that you can catch up later. There had been months of rumors and leaks leading up to this year's Pixel 11 event, so most of you must already have a pretty good idea of what might be revealed. It's almost certain that there will be a new Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, and Pixel 11 Pro XL. It's also likely the Pixel 11 Pro Fold and Pixel Watch 5 will make their debut as well. As for what's new, it's largely expected the devices to be iterative refreshes with a design similar to the previous Pixel 10 series. There's always the possibility that Google has some surprises up its sleeve, but there haven't been any leaks or rumors on that front yet. You'll have to wait a few more days until August 12th to see everything Google has planned. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.